Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the boildeg cycling gloves. Non-slip and shock absorbing mountain bike gloves with a bright color, and they're unisex. So, different colors are available on the market, like blue, green, gray, then we have pink, black as shown here, black 41, and white. Awesome. It's durable and breathable. This fingerless cycling glove is made with an extremely durable stretchy lycra bag and synthetic leather palm, and with rubber padding for excellent aerodynamics and bearing comfort. Breathable Lycra elastane keeps our hands dry. And we have a functionality and ergonomic design. This half-finger gloves features a padded, ergonomically shaped silica gel honeycomb palm structure, which is excellent for shock absorption and provides greater flexibility and a firm grip. When we are riding, we can quickly and easily wipe our sweat with a towel on our thumb. And quick removable adhesive tapes and adjustable clips. These two pull tapes in the fingertip position make it easier to put on and remove the gloves. These Velcro adjustable cuffs makes the glove easy to adjust to censor the right of the thickness. And it's suitable for all kinds of sports, nearly. The mountain bike gloves protect our palm from cuts and scrapes and helps us keep a better grip. This is either for exercising, weightlifting, road cycling, mountain biking, driving, fitness, and many other outdoor activities. Of course, indoor activities are possible too. Boildeg, our nice brand. Every mile we can go with that kind of gloves. It will brings us nearly to our goal. Boildeg uses only the best materials for the best performance. These bold gloves are made from a combination of high-quality lycra and rubber. The boildeg gloves protects our palm from cuts and wear and support us when gripping. It's ideal for exercising, training, and of course, weightlifting too. So you can use it if you're a bodybuilder too. Road cycling, mountain biking, driving. If you're driving your car, it gives you more grip. And all kinds of fitness sports and many other outdoor activities included. These gloves have been specially developed for sports enthusiasts like us. With these gloves, a wonderful sports trip can begin. Because we have breathable material made of high quality, lightweight and comfortable microfiber, permeable materials on the back of the hand for improved ventilation and faster evaporation to sweat to keep hands dry. Double stitched and excellent workmanship to ensure superior quality. And with a non-slip silicone honeycomb palm cushion, reticulated silicone strap increases the friction better, and an ergonomic design thanks to the intelligent arrangement of the padding, an ergonomic attachment, and joint-friendly cushioning is ensured for mountain bikes or road bike handlebars. The Fox leather palm ensures a maximum grip even without artificial silicone. And the thumb bag made from 100% of cotton. The thumb bag is covered with absorbent microfibers, so we can easily wipe our sweat off our forehead and nothing flows into our eyes and disturbs our flow. And a mouth between thumb and index fingers effectively induce the fragrant friction between the mouth of the tiger and the handlebar, and easy to take off. We taps in the middle and on the ring fingers allows us quick remove the gloves. The tabs are easy to grip and makes taking off the gloves extremely easy. We should measure our circumference from our hand before we bought this. S is 17 up to 19 centimeters. M is 19 to 21 centimeters. L is 21 to 23 centimeters. XL is 23 to 25 centimeters. And XXL, like shown in my hand here, is 25 up to 27 centimeters. And then you're ready for the next exercise on your bike or other sport equipment. These are the boildeg cycling gloves, non-slip and shock absorbing mountain bike gloves. Bright colors are available on the market. Here it's black, and it's for all kind of human out there. Unisex. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.